Travel is more than just moving from one place to another. It's a journey into the unknown, a dance with unfamiliar cultures, and a way to discover parts of ourselves we never knew existed. Whether it's the thrill of exploring hidden alleys in a bustling city, or the serenity of watching a sunset over a remote mountain, travel offers a tapestry of experiences that enrich the soul and broaden the mind. Thank you for stopping by Beyond Horizon. We're thrilled to have you here, and we can't wait to share content that inspires, entertains, and adds a little extra spark to your day. Your support means the world to us.
Are you planning an adventure to the beautiful landscapes and bustling cities of Vietnam? Packing for a trip can be overwhelming, especially when you're heading to a country with such diverse weather and cultural expectations. Whether you're exploring Hanoi's historical streets, Ho Chi Minh City's vibrant markets, or the tranquil waters of Ha Long Bay, having the right items in your suitcase can make all the difference. Here's a handy guide to help you pack efficiently, so you can fully enjoy your Vietnamese adventure. Light and breathable clothing. Vietnam's climate varies from north to south, but generally, you'll experience hot and humid conditions. In summer, the weather can be especially intense, so pack light, breathable clothing made of natural fabrics like cotton and linen. These materials will help you stay cool and comfortable as you explore bustling cities, scenic beaches, and lush countryside. For Hanoi or mountainous areas like Sapa, bring a light jacket, as temperatures can drop in the evening. Respectful attire for cultural sites. Vietnam has a rich cultural heritage, and it's essential to respect local customs when visiting temples and pagodas. Modesty is key, so pack clothing that covers your shoulders and knees. A scarf or shawl can be a versatile addition to your bag, as it can cover your shoulders or act as a head covering in sacred places. Comfortable footwear. Vietnam is best explored on foot, and you'll likely find yourself walking long distances. Pack comfortable, durable shoes that you don't mind getting a bit dirty, as some areas can be dusty or muddy. Sandals with good support are ideal for casual days, while a pair of sturdy sneakers is perfect for exploring the countryside or city streets. Rain gear. Vietnam's weather can be unpredictable, with sudden rain showers common, particularly in the rainy season, May to October. A compact, foldable rain jacket and a travel umbrella are essential. These items will keep you dry without taking up much space in your bag, so you can continue your adventures without interruption. Sun protection essentials. The sun in Vietnam can be intense, so don't forget to pack sunblock with a high SPF rating. Sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat are also essential for protecting your skin and eyes from UV rays. Additionally, consider packing a light scarf to cover your neck and shoulders during particularly sunny days. Travel health kit. Staying healthy on your trip is a priority. Bring a small travel health kit with essentials like insect repellent, as mosquitoes can be an issue, particularly in rural areas. Anti-diarrheal medication and rehydration salts are also useful, especially if you're trying out adventurous street food. Don't forget hand sanitizer and any personal medications you may need. Electronics and adapters. Vietnam uses a mix of plug types, including Type A, C, and D. A universal travel adapter will ensure you can charge your devices no matter where you are. Don't forget your phone, camera, and any other gadgets, as Vietnam is incredibly photogenic, and you'll want to capture the moments. Portable charger. When you're out exploring all day, finding a charging station can be tricky. A portable charger will keep your devices powered up, so you're never without maps, guides, or your camera. Make sure to charge it overnight so it's ready for a full day of exploration. Reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is essential, particularly in the heat. Vietnam is working on reducing single-use plastics, so a reusable water bottle is a practical and eco-friendly choice. Many hotels and cafes offer filtered water stations where you can refill your bottle. Cash and travel wallet. Vietnam is a predominantly cash-based society, especially in rural areas and local markets. It's a good idea to carry both Vietnamese dong and a secure travel wallet for keeping your cash and cards safe. While ATMs are widely available in cities, you might have limited access in remote areas, so plan accordingly. Packing for Vietnam doesn't have to be a challenge. With these essentials, you'll be well prepared to explore everything from Vietnam's vibrant cities to its serene landscapes. Remember to pack light, be mindful of the local culture, and stay flexible. Vietnam is a land of adventure, and a little preparation will ensure you're ready to experience it all.
Thank you for taking the time to visit. Your support means the world to us. Hit subscribe and get ready for exciting future contents that we can't wait to share with you.